Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel. I'm Maddie. Welcome everyone. I know I've been MIA for a while, but I've just been finished with uni, so I was just taking a bit of rest. So let's just get into this video. This is my top knot tutorial video, and as you can see, I've split my hair into two parts, and I'm just putting soft and free gel around my edges on the top part, and I'm just putting quite a bit on it so I can really smooth back those edges. So just brush it back with your soft bristle brush. So I'm just going to go in with my edge control, my argan oil edge control. I'm just going to put it around the perimeter of my hairline. I'm not putting as much of it because a little does go a very long way. So just put it around your edges and then brush it back again with your soft bristle brush. And what you want to do is just put it up in the middle of your head into a bun. So that's where your bun will be sitting essentially. Now you just want to do the same thing with the back. What you just saw me spray, that was water, and that was just to really get my hair soft again, so I can really work the edges in, the gel in, so it can really become smooth. So you want to push your hair upwards, and then you want to hold it all up together into a bun with your first bun. So you kind of have two buns in one, but it's just one bun, if you get what I mean. Well, now you just want to take, I'm just taking a smaller, you can still use a same bristle brush, but I'm just taking a smaller one because it gets the job done easier. So just push back all those flyaways, and then I'm just going into doing my edges. Edges are so important. So I'm just laying them down, as you would, just how you normally would. I don't really have any guidance as to how I do my edges, apart from just apply gel and swoop and hope for the best. So yeah, I'm just going to do all of my edges. It just took quite a while to do. They take a really long time to do because you've just got to get, they never look right for some reason. Like, I'm always having to redo them, but this time I didn't really have to do too much. So after I've done putting in my edges, I'm just going to go back in with the soft bristle brush and just brush back all of the little hairs that are sticking up, so everything's laid flat before I put my headscarf on. You just want to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. This is I'm just using the ultra braid for the actual bun, and this is just me looking for scissors, and then when I finally found it, I can actually go into the hair. Attach the elastic to the hair, then attach that hair to your own hair using the elastic. And what you just want to do is twist the individual strand, well not strand, individual two parts, and then just wrap it around your own hair, making sure that none of your actual hair is visible from under it, and just secure with a pin. Any pin would do. I just have a giant pin, so that's what I use. And you just want to do the same with the other side as well. If I was to do this hair again, I would certainly use a smaller amount of hair. It's because I feel like, looking back now, I feel like it looks a bit chunky. But I don't know. I still think it looks cute though. So you just want to secure it. Make sure everything is super duper secure, because you don't want this hair to be moving about and doing none of this juju shit. You just want this hair to be secure and nice and tight. So now I'm just going in with these little jewelry things. I don't really know what they're called, but those you can get them in gold and silver, and they just wrap around your hair. So just using gold, I thought it stand out more. I'm just gonna wrap it around. Just put some bits in the hair, not too much because you don't want to overkill it. Just put like a few in the front, a few in the back, and you're good to go. So you just want, so now I'm just taking out this scarf to see how my edges do. Oh, I'm a good girl. I'm feeling myself, as you can see. That is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends and family, and just be on the lookout for some more videos from me, and those should be popping around sometime soon, so just be on the lookout. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful.